BetterMe full review, features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to BetterMe products are in the description. BetterMe is a fitness and wellness app designed to help users achieve their health goals, whether that's weight loss, fitness improvement, or simply living a healthier lifestyle. With its focus on providing personalized workout and nutrition plans, BetterMe caters to people of all fitness levels, from beginners to those who are already accustomed to regular exercise routines. It's built for anyone looking for an all-in-one solution to enhance their physical and mental well-being. Features. BetterMe offers a range of features that help users stay on track with their health and fitness journey. First and foremost, it provides personalized workout plans tailored to your fitness level and goals, whether you're aiming to lose weight, gain muscle, or improve flexibility. The app includes a variety of workouts like strength training, cardio, yoga, and stretching, so you can mix things up. Another strong feature is the meal planning system, which offers personalized nutrition plans based on your dietary preferences and goals. The app also provides progress tracking, allowing you to monitor your daily activities, workouts, and nutrition, which helps you stay motivated. Additionally, BetterMe has mindfulness exercises, including guided meditation, to address mental well-being, complementing physical health efforts. Strengths. One of BetterMe's strongest points is its ease of use. The user-friendly interface makes navigating through workouts, meal plans, and progress tracking seamless. It's also highly customizable, offering specific plans for different goals like weight loss, muscle gain, or stress reduction. The variety of workout routines and meal plans is perfect for keeping users engaged. The app's ability to integrate fitness, nutrition, and mental health into one platform makes it a well-rounded solution for anyone focused on holistic health improvement. Weaknesses. Despite its many features, BetterMe does have some limitations. One downside is that while it offers a free version, many of the more in-depth features are locked behind a subscription, including personalized meal plans and premium workout programs. Also, some users may find the app's workout routines repetitive after prolonged use. Lastly, the app lacks detailed tracking features found in some other fitness apps, like the ability to sync with wearable devices or integrate with other health apps. Final verdict. BetterMe is a solid choice for those who want a well-rounded, easy-to-use app that covers fitness, nutrition, and mental health. Its personalized approach makes it suitable for various fitness levels and goals, and the combination of workout and nutrition plans is a significant strength. While the premium subscription may be a drawback for some, the app's ability to keep users engaged and motivated to reach their health goals makes it a valuable tool in your fitness journey.